All right, now let's shift from the body to the mind, because we need ways to stop that mental stress loop. As you said, the thoughts themselves are biologically toxic.
They really are. It's a terrible feedback loop. The research found that just thinking a common negative thought like, I'm failing my kids.
Or I can't handle this.
Exactly. That caused a 43% spike in cortisol per thought.
Wow, your inner critic is literally poisoning you.
It is. Which brings us to hack number 3, the thought stopper.
A circuit breaker.
A neural reset based on CBT principles. When that toxic thought starts, you force yourself to ask 3 questions. First, is this threat real or just loud?
Ooh, I like that.
It forces your prefrontal cortex to separate a perceived danger, which is just a thought, from an actual danger.
Okay, and the second question?
What's one verifiable fact proving I'm safe right now? This grounds you in tangible evidence.
Like, we are inside, we are fed, the car is parked.
Simple things. And then the third question brings in self-compassion, which is key. You ask, what would I tell my best friend if they were in this exact situation?
That immediately shifts your perspective from critic to supporter.
And that shift is powerful enough to reduce cortisol by 29%. A Harvard study on this found that 2 weeks of using this led to a 67% drop in daily negative thoughts.
It actually retrains your brain.
It does.
Okay, let's move to hack number 4, the sensory grounding trick, or the 5-4-3-2-1 method. This is for when you feel that mommy brain dissociation starting to kick in.
And that dissociation, it happens for a reason. Research from MIT showed that parents process 11 times more sensory information every day than non-parents.
11 times? That's an impossible load, so your brain just checks out.
It's a defense mechanism. So the 5-4-3-2-1 technique is designed to snap you back into the present moment.
How does it work?
You name 5 things you can say, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste.
And this actually corrects that sensory overload.
It does. Naming those inputs reduces amygdala hyperactivity by 28% in just 90 seconds.